How to send messages with special effect animation on iPhone. So if you want to send messages with special effect animations on your iPhone, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So first, open the Messages app on your iPhone. So make sure you are sending a message using iMessage, which means the text bubble should appear blue instead of green. So next, open an existing conversation or tap the Compose button to start a new message. Now type your message in the text field just like you normally would. Once your message is ready, do not tap the send button right away. Instead, press and hold the blue send arrow. So mine here is color green. It should be blue on your side. Now, this is the key step that will open the effects menu. So press and hold. Now, after holding the send button, you'll see a screen with different message effects. Now, by default, you'll be on the bubble tab. So these effects change how your message bubble appears. You can choose options like slam, you have loud, you have gentle, or invisible link. Now tap on any of them to preview how your message will look. Once you've chosen a bubble effect, tap the send button to send your message with that animation. But if you want full screen effects, look at the top of the screen and tap on screen beside the bubble tab. Now from here, swipe left to browse different animations. So you have effects like balloons, confetti, you have lasers, hearts, or fireworks. So when you find the effect you like, tap the send button to send it. So your message will now appear with a full screen animation on the receiver's device. And that's it. That's how you send messages with special effect animations on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.